What is up, everybody? How's it going? So today we got a quick little tool haul picked up from Home Depot. Got some Klein items. Today is December 3rd, 2021. It is Friday. Happy Friday, y'all. We're going to open them up. We're going to test them, play with them, talk about them. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smoosh the bell notification icon. Alright, so I went to Home Depot, picked up some Klein items, and it's a small little tool haul, but you know, this has kind of been, you know, December has been kind of the month of Klein for me, as well as DeWalt and Flex. But we're going to open them up, look at them, talk about them. A couple of them are just bags, so, you know, that's not, you know, nothing like too special. What's in this bag is 127 bucks, so got $19.97 for this hard case, this Klein Tools hard case. Got $29.94 for... Oh, come on, bag. $29.94 for this guy right here, which is NCVT-5A. And then we got $39.97 for the NCVT-4IR. And then we got... $27.97 for the NCVT-5A, and then $39.97 for the NCVT-4IR. The $29.94 is actually these two bags are $14.97 a piece. And this is what the receipt looks like. You know, tax came out to be $9.19, so $117.85 plus $9.19 is $127.04. Got quite a bit of stuff here. We got lots of Klein items, so these cases are definitely going to come in handy. This Klein Tools part number 5189 is the $20 hard case. Tradesman Pro case. Excuse me. Pop that off. And this just says hard shell, protects tools, meters, tech devices, soft interior lining. Nice little case for 20 bucks. I've seen more expensive cases that are for GoPros that are smaller than this, to be honest. Do not eat the desiccant packets. They're not good for you, the silica gel packets. These right here are item number 69401. They're just the little soft carry cases. And these are good size for meters. They got a nice closed cell foam. They got spots, couple spots where you... A little pocket here, large section, and then they have a carry handle, and or you can use it as a belt clip. But these are very nice little cases. Will definitely hold several instruments of destruction. No, I'm just kidding. Same one as the 69401. Same bag. I got two of them for $14.97 a piece. These are easy to rip out the package. And then these two guys right here. So the non-contact voltage tester with laser infrared thermometer. And then this one is a dual range non-contact voltage tester with laser pointer. So you can use it as a laser pointer. You can also use the laser to, I believe, measure, is it? AC voltage from 12 to 1,000 volts with visual and audible indicators. 2 detection ranges, 70 to 1,000 and 12 to 1,000. Bright integrated laser, oh, it's just a laser pointer. This guy right here, the NCVT-4IR, goes 12 volts all the way to 1,000, and the temp range is -22 to 482 Fahrenheit. 2-meter drop resistant. They're all IP54 rated. Cat 4 1000 volts. This one is also Cat 4 1000 volts. They're nice little units. I have a couple other older models of these. The NCVT-3A, I believe. This is the NCVT-5A. Pop this one out. Okay. Throw those aside. It's this guy right here. Does come with batteries. I've noticed all the Klein, anything that's Klein that takes batteries, it comes with Cadell batteries or Kendall batteries. This one right here. Move the clippings to the side. I do need to pick up 1 or 2 more of these, because these things are handy. And as much as I use it for cutting, it's definitely a pain when I use it like so much that I don't have enough charge on it. Does this one come with batteries installed? Oh, this one came with batteries installed. And these are GP batteries, they're not Kendalls. And these do have O-rings. Hold the button. Laser. For the temp, saying 90 degrees, 89.9 to 90 degrees, and then it holds it at that function right there. So as soon as you let go of the button, and then NCV, turn it on, push the button again, it turns it off, which we can test real quick. Turn this guy on. It's telling you you're getting closer. That's nice, you don't even have to touch it. That's one reason why I picked this one up. You don't even have to shove it in any of the holes. You could just literally bring it up to it, which is nice. And this is the USB ports. Oh, I had it a second ago. It's a nice little non-contact tester though. There you go. That's that one. This one right here. So what I was just showing you is the NCVT-4IR, or Northern Charlie Victor Tony -4 Ingrid Richard or Roger. This one has the little pin on it where you gotta shove it in to the receptacle. Gotta shove it into the hole. And you can use these on vehicles. So this one's got just the regular laser pointer. This one you can use as a laser pointer if you want to. The laser pointer one on the left is definitely a lot brighter. This one's not very bright. It's actually mainly for temp readings, but you could use it as a laser pointer and or a temp reader. This one has just the laser pointer, and then this one you switch between 12 volts and 1000 and 70 volts and 1000, like that. So 12 volts and 1000. Switch it. So it flashes blue. It's flashing blue and red. So that's nice. Flipped it to 70 volts to 1000. It's flashing red. The same with this extension cord I have sitting here too. Switch it to 12 volt. Signal here is stronger. Hold the button to turn it off. It'll beep a couple times to this one, turn this one on. You gotta hover it over it. So they work extremely well. I'm gonna put them in my arsenal. Turn it off. I got quite a bit. These things work amazing. This is the NCVT-3P right here. This one has just the light on it. So they're all different. They all have an extra different feature. Here's an old Craftsman Pro Series. It has a light at one end. There it goes. This one says working. It's got a tip light. This one vibrates and flashes. So this one works well. 12 volt to 1000 volt and 100 volt to 1000 volt. I've been using this on vehicles forever, and it says working. So turns off, and then I got some other Klein testers in here. This guy right here, which is the RT250. I got the RT210. And then I got all these guys over here. I have this thermometer, and this is the ET05 thermometer. I also have the ET07 coming. Here is the ET250 voltage tester. Move this guy out the way. USB tester, Here is the ET40. Here's the ET45. Here is the moisture meter. And then here is the ET60. So I got quite a bit of Klein tools. I've been pretty happy with all of them. Definitely going to be using the hard case and the bags. They'll come in handy for sure. Oops. There. And there. So the only thing that was picked up in this video was the 3 cases and these 2 right here. But here's a bunch of Klein items. Figured I'd show you guys. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. You know, the video doesn't need to be any longer. But, you know, I hope the information was helpful. I hope the testing and just the showing them functioning helps. If you guys have any questions on what you can use them on, or you know, what I use them on, go ahead and leave comments down below. Any questions on any of these, you know, let me know. I did do a demonstration with all of these in their respective videos. Moisture meter works pretty good. I think I'm gonna buy, because it's got a magnetic strip on the back. Works off of magnetic fields. It can go 3/4 deep into wood, masonry, brick, concrete, as well as softwoods, hardwoods, drywall. I think I'm gonna buy a pin style moisture meter and see how well this one works compared to that one. See how accurate it is. But that is all I got for you guys today. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. You know, today is December 3rd. It's a Friday. Happy Friday. If I don't see you guys, you know, around Christmas time, I hope everybody has a great Christmas and a happy holiday. Appreciate everybody watching as always. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace!